toys of animals and birds. You have to just pick up one toy from the tray and say what it is, where it lives, and what it eats. Did you follow me?
Yes.
You have to just pick up one toy from the tray and tell what it is, where it lives, and what it eats. Shall we start now?
Yes, teacher.
We'll start with Monisha.
It is a horse. It lives in stable. It eats hay.
Good.
It is a goat. It lives in pen. It eats grass.
Very good.
It is a crow.
Show the chroma.
It is a crow. It lives in nest. It eats grains.
It is a lion. It lives in den. It eats flesh.
Very good.
It is a tiger. It lives in forest. It eats meat.
Very good.
It is a giraffe.
Show the giraffe. Yes.
It is a giraffe. It lives in jungle. It eats leaves.
Very
Super.
Good.
It is a dog. It
Lives in?
lives in
Where it lives? Kennel.
canal.
What it eats?
It eats bones.
Good.
It is cock. It lives in coop. It eats rice.
Very good.
It is a deer. It eats
Grass.
grass.
Where does it live?
It lives
In?
in forest.
Okay. Good try.
It is a scooty. I bought in jungle pack. It needs petrol.
Very good.
It is a rhinoceros.
Say louder, ma. Say louder.
It is a rhinoceros. It lives in forests. It eats plants.
Plants. It eats plants. Good.
It is elephant.
It is a elephant.
It is an
Good.
elephant.
It is an elephant.
It lives forest.
Hmm.
It eats bananas.
Show the elephant. Show. Fine. Chandru.
It is a zebra.
Show the zebra man. Yes.
It is a zebra. It lives in jungle. It eats grass.
Okay.
It is a parrot. It lives in tree. It eats fruits and nuts.
Okay. Through this activity, we have learnt what is noun. So noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. இப்போ நீங்கள் அந்த விலங்கு எடுத்து சொல்லும் பொழுது அது எங்கே வசிக்குது, அது என்ன விலங்கு, அது என்ன சாப்பிடுது, ஸோ பொருள் என்ன, எங்கே வசிக்குது எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்க இல்லையா. நேம் ஆஃப் எ பர்சன், பிளேஸ், திங் மூணுத்துக்குமே உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் கிடச்சிச்சு. ஸோ இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி மூலமாக ஈஸியாக நீங்கள் என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க? பெயர் சொல், நவுன் கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்களா? ஓகே, கிளாப் ஹேண்ட்ஸ். எல்லாருமே நல்லா பண்ணுங்க.